I made this really cool cactus themed car mirror charm and I want to show you guys how I did it. So first off, I grabbed some twine and I tied a knot in it. I wanted to make the hanging section big enough to go around the mirror. I, in hindsight, made it a little too big, so I would suggest measuring your car mirror first. I picked out 4 of these really cute blue wooden beads. I managed to find 2 that were square and 2 that were round, so I was really happy with that. Surprisingly, getting the twine through these tiny little holes was the most difficult part. It kept fraying quite a bit and it took me a bit more than 5 minutes, but we did get there in the end. Using a sewing needle or something could be helpful while you're doing this. You could also try using thinner string because the plaster cactus things themselves aren't actually very heavy. So once I finally got them on, I spaced them all out really nicely. Well, kind of nicely. And then I tied a knot in the bottom. This just stops the wooden beads from falling out the bottom. The plaster cactus pieces will be gluing on with hot glue, so they should stay in place. So as you can see here, I have 2 pink columnar cactuses and 1 green kind of clumped cactus. So I'm going to put the pink ones on each end and then the circular green one in the middle. After placing all 3 of the plaster cacti, I am happy with the front and how that looks, but the back could kind of use some work. I ended up just cutting up some strips of paper and kind of just gluing them to the back. In hindsight, I could have used something like straws or something and actually glue the straws to the plaster to make them beads. So I'm not entirely happy with how the back ended up looking, but from the front it is just absolutely perfect and I'm super happy with it. I do have a lot more plaster cacti pieces that I have made, so I might actually try and make a similar one using straws and measure it up a bit more, maybe use a few more beads and a few more colors. I'm super happy with how this one turned out, so let me know what you guys think in the comments below.